Hi folks, welcome to the Illinois High School 2 Career tutorial. This public tool is a product of the IDES-RAP project, which links student and employment data to examine career outcomes. You can find this public tool at www.ilhighschool, that's HighSchool, the number 2, career, that's career.com. Right now, we're on the home page, which includes a graphic of a student thinking about different careers, an animation of the data visualizer, a big orange button that says Start Now, and detailed information about the data. To use the tool, we're going to click Start Now. In order to show the user relevant data, the site asks 2 or 3 questions before bringing them to the visualizer. The first question is, do you want to continue your education after high school? If the user clicks yes, they will be asked to specify which education level they're considering, certificate, 2-year associate degree, or 4-year bachelor's degree. The data visualizer will then show them career outcomes for people with this chosen education level. If the user clicks no, the visualizer will show career outcomes for people who went directly into the workforce after high school. And if the user clicks not sure, it will show a comparison of the 4 education levels, 3 yes and 1 no. For this example, I'm going to show you the no further education path. For both the no further education and not sure paths, the user will be asked one more question. Do you have an idea of what you want to do for work? If desired, the user can click yes here to choose from a list of career sectors. If they're not sure which sector their occupation falls into, they can type it here, and the tool will suggest career sectors. For example, if I want to explore a career in HVAC, the tool will clarify that workers with this industry code are found under construction, and will choose this career from the list if I click on it. For this example, let's click No, which will show us results for all careers. Once the user has told the tool what kind of education and industries they're interested in, it will display a Sankey chart. This example is telling us that ISB students who did not obtain post-secondary education were found in many different industries. The largest group, over 50%, were found in retail, trade, and personal services career. Users can click on the career title for a description, or hover their cursor over the ribbon to display the average Year 3 earnings for ISB students who took that path. We can also look at this data through table view by clicking this button at the bottom of the page. Rather than showing the user all of the industries, this view defaults to the 3 most popular. This is useful because the careers where large numbers of ISB graduates are employed are likely careers that have many opportunities or open positions. We can use this drop-down to compare specific careers or display the 3 highest paying. The table view shows us 3 employment metrics. Earnings in Illinois is the median earnings in the 3rd year after high school. Earnings growth is how much more they made in their 3rd year than their 2nd. And job stability is what percentage of these former ISB students worked for the same employer for 3 quarters in a row. Because the data covers ISB seniors from 2007 to 2016, we can view metrics for those earlier students up to 9 years out. Not only do the earnings increase, but which industries offer the highest wages also changes. Personally, I prefer the 3-year snapshot because all the graduates in the data have had 3 years of working to find a well-paying job, while only the older students have had 9 years. Users can also expand the Sort and Filter panel to look at career metrics for people with certain characteristics. For example, if we look at the ISB seniors who did not graduate, they're making $27,000 in construction or $26,000 in manufacturing. If there were fewer than 10 people in a given category, like in this example, there are fewer than 10 people who did not graduate high school who are also working in energy careers, the tool will say data not available. But if we change the filter to only high school graduates, the construction and manufacturing earnings increase to $28,000 each. From the table view, we can also compare different levels of education to one another. If we use the Compare With dropdown, we can choose a second level of education to view alongside our metrics. So now we have some ideas of high-paying industries for people who went straight into the workforce after high school. But let's say the user is intrigued by how much more the two-year graduates are making and wants more information on two-year programs that lead to a high-paying job. We can return to the landing page by clicking the Illinois HighSchool2Career logo in the top left corner. This time, I'm going to choose yes on the first question. And though we don't yet know what we want to study, we do have a lead on high-paying industries: construction, energy, and manufacturing. You'll notice that our Sankey chart looks a little different. On our first search, the left side was showing level of education, and now it's showing different areas of study, or majors. Liberal arts and sciences is on the top of the list because it has the highest number of graduates. LAS and multi-interdisciplinary studies are sometimes used by institutions as catch-all categories, like a Bachelor of Arts or a Bachelor of Science might be used at a four-year school. And if we pick a career, let's say manufacturing, and look at how much people made who had different majors, you'll see that aligning your major and your industry is often accompanied by a boost to earnings. Now, because we said we didn't know what we wanted to study, but did select 3 careers, the left side of the Sankey is locked at all, and the right side is showing custom. We can also use this header dropdown to switch to highest paying or most popular careers, but we can also use this button at the top to instead lock the right side of the Sankey. This option would be for a user who wants to see popular, high-paying, or custom areas of study rather than popular, high-paying, or custom careers. It shouldn't be a surprise that if I choose highest paying careers for 2-year graduates, they're slightly different than the high paying careers for the people without post-secondary experience. Now we've got IT in our results instead of manufacturing. If we look at our associated majors, it looks like engineering technologies has ISB students taking this education path into high-paying careers. The question is, where can I get this kind of training? We can answer this question by clicking on the area of study and show 2-year colleges that offer this area of study. Because most people obtaining a 2-year credential do so at their local community college, the site will ask for the user's zip code. When you click Go, a warning message will display to make sure that the user knows that they're about to see a window from a different website, which is powered by different data. Where Illinois HighSchool2Career shows career outcomes for Illinois public school seniors, Illinois College2Career shows career outcomes for graduates from Illinois' higher education institutions. This window into Illinois College2Career is showing us colleges that fit our specifications. 2-year schools that serve our zip code and offer an engineering technologies program. For more information on Illinois College to Career, please see the tutorial video on that tool, linked in the description below. If you have any questions about Illinois High School to Career, please email the project team at des.hs2c@illinois.gov. Thanks for watching.